Hello friends, in this video we are going to see fans and its types. That is, generally we will see there are different types of fans are available, and for different application it is used for different ways. That is, in general there are various fans types are available for various applications or various places. That is, in the place where we are installing the fan. For example, when we install a fan in a home or in any industries, the fan size and the fan structure, that is the height of the fan, or the place where we are going to install a fan is varies are different. Here we are going to see the fans. Generally, a fan is a device which gives us wind, that is wind or air for cooling any kind of heating system, or the place where the heat is more. That is, it helps to cool the such heating or temperature. That is, it reduces the temperature of a particular system or particular environment. For example, when we see a fan that is attached in a CPU of a personal computer, there the fan is used to cool the motherboard or any device that is generating temperature or heat. In such places, the fan is used for cooling purpose or cooling action. For example, in large industries or the generation industries, that is the electricity generation industries, there are various parts or various stages are available. In such stages, varieties of process are happening. The process where the heat or temperature is generated, it must be cooled such that the fan is used to cool such area. That is, in such area the fan is used to plays a vital role. Generally, the fan provide air for ventilation and industrial process. That is, it may be based on the requirements. That is, based on the user requirement or place where we are going to install fan, and the fan structure and the fan shape and the fan type and the blade or position will vary. The fans generate a pressure to move air or gases against a resistance caused by ducts, dampers or other components in a fan system, or any kind of place where the fan system is required. The fan rotor receives energy from a rotating shaft and it transmits it to the air. Generally, we have a difference. That is, there are difference between fans, blowers, and compressors. The main difference that it has been differentiated by, it's based on its specific ratio. Based on its specific ratio, it can be easily classified or differentiated. And pressure rise in millimeter weight gram. That is, based on these parameters, we can distinguish the fans, blowers, and compressors. And there are different types of fans are available. That is I have already told that based on our applications or requirement, or the place where we are going to install a fan, the fan types, fan shapes, size can be designed or it can be varied. There are type of fans, that is, and its peak efficiency range is here given here. That is, centrifugal fans, airfoil, backward curved or inclined fans types. Its efficiency is around 79 to 83. Based on this is given as per Bureau of Electrical Engineering, that is energy efficiency, BW. Modified radial type fans will give 72 to 79% efficiency, and radial fan is providing an efficiency of around 69 to 39% peak efficiency, and a pressure blower will have a 58 to 68% efficiency. Similar to backward and it is forward curved type fans, that is 62 and 65 efficiency. Um, different The next one is axial fans, that is these are comes under centrifugal fans, and there are some axial fans are available, that is van axial, tube axial and propeller axial. Propeller axial fans, there van axial is providing a higher efficiency, that is compared to other two, it is providing higher efficiencies of around 78 to 85% efficiency. Here in the centrifugal fans, it is the more efficiency fans is backward curved, that is it provides 79 to 83% of efficiency. There are some limitations and efficiency are available for different types of fans based on their flow rate, pressure and type of material what they handle in fan or what they fixed in a fan. And there are two general, that is these are the two general categories, that is centrifugal fans and axial fans. Let us see what is these fans in detail. That is, this is the centrifugal fans. It has a pulley system and air in and air out systems. This is a schematic or block diagram of a centrifugal fan. This is a axial fan. These type of fans are mostly available in industrial sites or any ships and other high cooling system areas, that is high where the cooling purpose is needed in a very large range. That is centrifugal fans types, and they are the major types, that is radial, forward curved and backward curved. And the radial fans are industrial workhorses because of their high static pressure, that is the static pressure is a weight column, that is it's a unit of weight column. WC is a millimeter weight column. It is a unit of the static pressure or any kind of pressure, that is a pressure term that is mentioned as per fans, that is fan laws. It is ability to handle heavily contaminated air streams, that is that I have already told that it is mainly used for cooling, where the cooling action is to be needed, and based on the amount of cooling, that is based on the necessity, we have to design a size of the fans. Because of their simple design, radial fans are well suited for high temperatures and medium blade tip speeds. Next is forward curved fans. They are used in clean environments and operate at lower temperatures, and it is best suited for moving large volumes for air against relatively low pressures. This is the main characteristics or main property of forward curved fans. And the next is backward inclined fans are more efficient than other two types of fans. They are well suited for airflow range, that is usable airflow range, and they are known as non-overloading because changes in static pressure do not overload to the motor. And these are the schematics for a radial blade and multivane or forward curved, and another one is backward curved or inclined centrifugal fans. These are the schematics or shapes or blades arrangements of these three fans types. Here let us see another type, that is axial flow. Still now we have seen centrifugal fans, and this is axial flow fans. In that we have seen three types, that is one is tube axial fans, and the another one is van axial fans, and the third one is propeller. That is in the tube axial fans are in cylindrical housing, that is here if you see this is a picture or a representation, schematic representation or line diagram of a tube axial. Here if you see, it is a cylindrical housing shape, that is with close clearance between blade and housing to improve airflow efficiency. The wheel turn faster than propeller fans enabling operation under high pressure, that is high pressure of 250 to 400 mmWc, that is millimeter weight column. Its efficiency is around 65% because it is a that is it is a high efficiency compared to other two types. And the second one is tube axial, that is an addition of guide vanes that improve efficiency by directing the straightening the flow. That is, this is the van axial, that is the second type of axial fans. It is also like tube axial, but the structure is little bit different compared to tube axial. Straight airflow is here. The straight airflow is available. That it is one of the characteristics, and guide vanes are available. And it is the most energy efficient fans available, and it should be used whenever possible. That is, we can based on our needs, we can use this type of fans based on our usage. And the next one is propeller. That is, this type of fans usually run at low speeds and moderate temperatures, and they experience a large change in airflow with small changes in static pressure. They handle large volumes of air at a low pressure or free delivery. Propeller fans are often used indoors as exhaust fans. That is like when we hear propeller fans, when we see fans that is available in kitchen, that is used to exhaust heat. It is not that much faster like ordinary fans, but it will exhaust heat in from one, that is indoor area to outdoor area. The outdoor applications include air cooled condensers and cooling towers. The efficiency is low, approximately 50% as or less. It is one of the lower efficiency axial fan type, and these are the schematics available. These are the main types of fans available based on basic fan types. That is based on the shape and size and their properties or characteristics. These the fans can be classified like this. And let us see some normal fans, that is normal fan types. Nowadays there are different types of fans the industries are providing, that is for household appliances, and there are different types of that is for rechargeable, like rechargeable fans. Here they are giving a rechargeable fans, mini fans with power bank, that is with inbuilt storage capacity. Without a power supply, we can make the fan run. And there are different types of fans, like based on the height adjustment, and the ceiling fans and table fans are available. Based on requirement, we can choose such fan types. These are the varieties of fans, and its shapes are available. Thus, this is about fans and its types, and we have seen latest applications also. Thank you, and subscribe to the channel.